how to view a website's HTML page source on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily view the source of any website on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, within the Safari app or really any browser on our iPhone, there's no way to do this. So we need to download a separate app called View Source. This is a free app, so go ahead and get it downloaded. Once you download it, open it up, and then all we need to do, it's very simple to use, type the URL, or you could paste the URL that you want to view the source of, then just select go, and instead of loading the actual website where you can view it, it just loads the HTML for that website. So you could use this little share icon up here to copy the URL, or you can even find anything within that HTML that you want to by selecting find, and then you could type what you want to look for, and it will highlight it for you and find it for you. So that's how you view source on any website on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.